Is it tilted? Oh, hold on. Hey. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Taylor and this is my first ever YouTube video on my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna teach y'all how to sleeve y'all edges. If you want this final look, just keep watching and I'll do something crazy, like probably some transition, you know what I'm saying? I would just never. What you will need is, oh whoa, what you would need are, things you will need. An edge control. I use Shine Jam. Not a lot of people like Shine Jam because I don't know why actually. And then I also use Ego Styling Gel. I use both of these. I know that's a lot for edges, but like I don't play about my edge. And you will also need a toothbrush, an edge control brush, whatever your preference is. Let's get started. I'm gonna bring y'all closer so y'all can see my edges. This is what they're looking like. Ignore that little situation. Okay, so I start off by taking my edge control brush and I dip my brush in the Shine Gel. So I take it and I brush down and then I push to swoop and then I continue to do that until I get the edge I want, or like until it looks the way I want it to look. And that's one edge. Do you call them in, are you supposed to say them in like plural? Or do you say like, I finished one edge? Or do you I finished a part of my edges? It's still singular no matter what you say, but never mind. The end, I try to find the nearest braid and I just interweb it. That's not a word, but it's a word today. Period. I'm gonna what is the word? I don't even remember what I was talking about. Anyways, that is ghetto, I understand. So we're gonna get in front of it. That's one edge. Oh my god, that's so ghetto. But it's edge control. If it can hold my edges, it'll hold my brows. Once I finish one side, I take a little piece, grab it, and I just curl it. You're gonna put the Shine Jam away. Ooh, I don't have Rona. I promise. I don't have Corona. I've hit. Dang it! I'm just not doing well. I can't open the China. Oh. Okay, so I go into the gel like I do the Shine Gel. I take my gel and it's like a template. I make a template with like the Shine Jam and then I take the gel and I go over it. I try to follow what I set in place before as much as possible. So I take one of my rags and I just put it on. I kind of like to clean up a little bit around my like scalp area. I'm just gonna be quiet for the next 15 minutes. I'm probably not gonna wait 15 minutes to be honest. I'm gonna wait till I feel like it. How did this happen?
Waiting 15 minutes till the edges are laid.
A few moments later.
You must. I'm dancing with strangers, get it? This video is kind of chaotic, but it's okay. I got candy from Amazon. I hope it's good.
Yeah.
They're sour. That is so sour. Can you see me? Yo. The isolations are there. Changes color, by the way. It's a yellow cup. Fun fact. Normally it would change. Never mind. Whoa, whoa! I need my place in my bed.
Wow.
Wait, no, that's not this. Wait, that's. Oh shoot, I forgot how to do it. Give me 2 seconds. I need to do Effie. Hold on, Paul.
Alright, I got my microphone.
Yes, we will.
Daddy, Daddy, watch me twirl. Daddy, watch me.
15 minutes later.
Okay, so I think this has been long enough. Ooh la la. Okay, so these look pretty good, but sometimes I like to go over with my edges brush again. My edges are done. I like the way they turned out. This side always wants to give me problems. After I finish my edges, I normally like to bring down 2 pieces in front of my face. I put on my hair. It's okay, because it'll grow back. I did this earlier, but with pieces like this, I like to take some more of my Shine Jam and I just put on my braid. Okay, y'all, so here are my edges. This is how they turned out. And I think they look pretty good. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have a good day. Be blessed. And yeah. Bye.